In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google reviews in Shopify. If you want your Shopify store to look more trustworthy, showing real customer feedback is a great way to do that. In this tutorial, you will add a Google Reviews widget to your storefront by using your theme editor and a custom liquid section. I will guide you through each click so you can follow along easily. First, open your Shopify admin. From there, click Online Store. This area is where you manage what your customers see, including your theme and the layout of your pages. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct menu, because the next steps are all related to your theme settings. Next, click Edit Theme. This tells Shopify that you want to make a change to the live look of your store. You might see your current theme listed there. After you open the editor, you will be able to add sections to specific pages and customize how your reviews display. Now, you will need to open the page where you want the reviews to appear. In the theme editor, look for the page or template you plan to update, such as the home page or a specific product or collection page. Click into the page preview and choose the exact location you want customers to see reviews. This step matters because your reviews will only show on the page you select and edit. Once you have the right page open, click Add Section. This is where you introduce a new content block into your layout. After you click Add Section, you should see options for different types of sections you can add, depending on your theme. From the section options, click Custom Liquid. Custom Liquid is the part that allows you to paste in code. That is necessary for embedding the Google Reviews widget, since the widget is provided as code that Shopify can render on the page. At this point, you will paste your Google Reviews widget code. Make sure you paste the full code exactly as provided, including any script or HTML elements that come with the widget. If you are copying from a source, double-check that nothing gets cut off when you paste. After you paste the code, take a quick moment to review that the formatting looks complete in the editor before you move on. After the code is in place, click Save. Saving ensures your changes are applied to the theme and that Shopify can display the new reviews section when customers visit your store. Depending on your theme, it may take a moment for the preview to update. If you do not see it immediately, give it a few seconds and then refresh the preview if needed. Finally, confirm the reviews are showing where you placed them. In the page preview, scroll to the section you added and look for the Google Reviews widget. If it appears, you are done. If you do not see it, you would return to the section and confirm the code was pasted correctly and that you saved again. But in most cases, once the code is pasted into Custom Liquid and saved, the widget should render as expected. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.